What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. You're in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli, the self-proclaimed wing king, and y'all already know I'm the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. So if you want to learn how to make the best lemon pepper wings on the planet, all you gotta do is click that link above and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a delicious holiday ham for this Christmas season. Yeah, I know I'm dating the video by saying Christmas, but I'm telling you, you're gonna love this recipe. It's very easy, doesn't take much, and guess what? We're gonna cook it in the air fryer. Yes, so I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have. We're going to use some orange juice, some brown sugar. I'm going to use coconut brown sugar. You can use regular brown sugar, some spicy brown mustard, or you can use regular yellow mustard. We're going to use some honey, ground cloves, garlic, some black pepper, cinnamon, butter, and right here I have a uncured boar's head ham. When I make a ham, I like for it to be uncured. I don't like the cured ham when I cook my ham. So it tastes different, and the taste is better when you cook an uncured ham. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut slits in our ham. We're going to do a horizontal and vertically about 1/2 inch. So what we're going to do is just start right here. All right, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it the other way, and I'm just gonna put a few like this. And then it also allows those juices just to flow through that ham. So, all right, so now what we're gonna do is we're just going to let this sit, and we're gonna get our brown sugar mixture together, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've measured out our ingredients. So let me tell you what we have right here. I have a 1/2 stick of butter, which is 4 tablespoons, a 1/2 cup of that coconut brown sugar. Right here, 2 tablespoons of the spicy mustard. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. I have a 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1/2 cup of honey. I have a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have I've chopped 2 green onions, and right here I have 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. So this is what we're going to use to prepare our brown sugar mixture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just start dumping these ingredients into our bowl dish with our butter. Let's go ahead and add our pepper, cinnamon, our garlic powder. Let's add our orange juice now, our mustard. Let's add our brown sugar, our honey, and our green onions. And we're gonna get this bad baby mix like this. All right, this is what we have. All right, so let's move on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our mixture, and we're gonna take about 1/4 of it, and we're just going to base our ham with about 1/4 of this mixture, just like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this ham and we're gonna put it on some aluminum foil, and we're gonna get it all wrapped up. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so for some reason, I don't know why the camera darkened up. I think it's the glare from the aluminum foil, so it makes it seem like it's light, but I'm sorry it looks dark like that. I could have just, you know, came back with it in the pan already wrapped up, but I wanna show you guys what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it up in foil like this. That way, we'll make sure it's real tight. And what I've done is I'm gonna bring my pan over here from my air fryer. I wrap that also in aluminum foil. I'm just gonna stick it right here. And I'm going to sit this in my air fryer for 20 minutes on 400 degrees. We're gonna come back, check it, baste it up again, and we're gonna put it back into the air fryer. So I'll be right back. All right, so I got my air fryer here, my Basso air fryer oven. I love this thing. If you saw the turkey breast I cooked in it, go watch that video. I'm telling you, it came out amazing. So I'm definitely gonna try it with my ham. So let's get that thing to focus in. All right, and put this here on this middle rack like that. All right, and we're gonna set it to 400 degrees. I'm sorry, 300 degrees. And we're going to put it on air fry. And I'm gonna do it for 20 minutes first. I'm gonna put it here on 25 because since it's not, I didn't preheat it, so that'll give it time to get warmed up. So I'm gonna put it on 25 minutes the first go around, then we're gonna pull it out, baste it up again, and then we're going to stick it back in for another 20 minutes. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, our 20 minutes is up. Let me pull this out. See if I can sit it right here, that we can take a look at it. Open it up like this. Let's see. Take a look at that. Back the camera up a little bit. There we go. So what I'm gonna do, finish basting this bad baby up like this. All right, so we're gonna fold this bad baby back up like this, and we're gonna let it go for another 20 minutes. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so now our 20 minutes is up. So we have done a full 40 minutes. So let's take a look at this like this. Open it up. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cook it uncovered for another 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes uncovered. And once we do that, we should be done. And we'll come back and see what we got. All right, let's get this back in here. All right, so now our 10 minutes is up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. We're ready, we're good to go. Take a look at that. So what I'm gonna do now, let me get this over on a flatter surface, and then I'll be right back. All right, so this is our ham here. So to finish it off, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some more of that brown sugar base to it like that. Yes, sir is. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get this bad baby on the plate, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, air fry baked ham. Yes, this is a great recipe for the upcoming holidays. Christmas is around the corner. You need to bring something to that family gathering, and I'm showing you what you can do. So remember, the ingredients, the measurements, the links to the ingredients, all in the video description below. Check out the All Wings Everything merch. Guys, I appreciate everybody who's been buying that merch. Thank you. And before I get out of here, you already know I'm fixing to cut into this ham, let you guys know what it's like. And we'll start off with just that front part right there. I'm gonna cut that. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, man. Let me take a look at that. See what it tastes like. Some of that, hey, let me tell you, that brown sugar basting is great. You can also save some of it for dipping. Taste another piece. Guys, this is good. So, until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.